your girl came back with another video. So in today's video, I'm sure you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be unboxing MAC's Showstopper powder kiss set that's exclusive to Nordstrom. I don't know if you guys recall, a few weeks back I did a vlog with my friend. We went foundation shopping and I picked up one of their powder kiss lipsticks, and I was impressed. It gives that look of, like, let's say if you put on lipstick and maybe, you know, you wanted to have like a softer look, so you take like a napkin, put it between your lips and blot it, and it gives that same look. And I just love the way that it wears, and it was pretty affordable. It was like $69. Now they give you a bunch of free gifts, but I figured what better way than to come on here and let you guys, you know, see me try them out, so we can get, you know, an idea if we like them together. Probably not gonna return it though, because I mean, it's lipstick. But yeah, let's just get right into it. So they have a receipt in the package. I don't really think I need a receipt. Like, how well do they want to wrap this? Like, what's good? Oh, and they gave you free gifts. Alright. It's like a whole tree. Alright. Done with that. Alright, so they give you... Oh, that smells good. Saint Laurent Libre. Don't get old, folks. It actually smells really, really good. And then they... Oh, this is so cute. It is a lip swatch kit. Aw. I didn't even know things like that existed. Oh, I did pick this, by the way. Powerful strength, line reducing, dark circle diminishing, vitamin E serum for your eye. Gonna try that out. You guys know I have a skincare drawer in my vlog room, so, you know, why not? But let's just get right down to what we all came here for, which is just these lipsticks. Now, typically I don't like to swatch like lip gloss or lipsticks. I did that very early on in my channel. Not in my channel, on my channel. And yeah, my lips was like about to fall off. But before I forget to show you guys, the box is really pretty. And then it has some of the shades of the lipstick on here. And I felt as though the range of colors were nice enough for me to spend the money for it. So that's the main reason why I got it. So this is the packaging. It's kind of pretty. Looks really holiday-ish. I'm going to assume that it opens like that. I want you to look at that. That is really pretty. So I didn't get anything to take this lipstick off. I'm gonna grab something and come right back. So I'm back. Got half a makeup wipe because I don't really need anything more than that. I'm gonna turn on my light here that I use to put on my makeup, and just gonna wipe off this lipstick so I can start trying these colors out. I'm really excited about the range of nudes that they have, because you guys know I'm dark skinned. Not the lightest of the darks like my friend dark skin, like dark skin. Just putting it out there. So I like this color. It looks like it's like a, I mean, MAC has a nice range of nudes for dark skins anyway. Well, I haven't bought nudes in a while, so maybe it's changed, but from what I can remember. Alright. So we are going to start, I guess, with the lightest one first. Let's make sure you can see them. So this is Mull It Over. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Like, when I tell you guys, like, I do YouTube, so off topic, another one of my sidebar stories. I really do love like makeup, like hair, like it's fun. It makes you feel good about yourself. Do you need it? Do I need it? No. But you know, you only live once, so might as well do things that you like. But let's just get right to it. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I'm gonna zoom in. So I'm gonna tell you the vibes that this is giving me right now, okay? If you guys recall, I know I'm filled with stories. If you guys recall, when I helped my friend do her makeup, walk her through it, I'm gonna leave a link for that down below. She had a lipstick, well, a lip gloss that she put on, which was like Tour de Fabulous by MAC. They don't even make it anymore. And I was trying to find a color like it. This looks like the lipstick version of it. I love it. Like, I don't know what else to say, but I love it. It is like, I don't know how to describe it. So normally, like when I travel, I don't know when that's gonna happen again. When I travel, I always like to put on like a matte lipstick. I normally would put on like a nude lipstick. This might be it from like, honey. Oh gosh. Oh my, this is just, whew. There's one of my friends and we always kind of go back and forth on Instagram about like a nude lipstick. I'm gonna send this to her and recommend that she gets this. For this color alone, it's worth it. Like, I feel like the camera, maybe let me turn this off. There you go. I was gonna say, I feel like it's not doing any justice. Do you guys see that? Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. All right, so maybe I'll leave this off because I feel as though it's like not giving you the true beauty of the lipstick. So let's move on. But this is a great way to start. All right, see the difference? It is the perfect, I'm gonna send this to her and tell her to get it. And I mean, $69. If you guys have ever purchased MAC lipsticks, they're like $19 a piece. So this was a steal. This one is Stay Curious. It looks like an orange on camera, but it kind of looks more like a mauve. If that's even the right shade, don't quote me. In person. Look at that. So pretty. I'm so excited. This one smells different. Has like a minty kind of smell to it. It's like a fair, like brick of lipstick. But look at this one. I don't know how to describe it. It's like, so far what I've noticed, and the reason why I wanted to pay the $69 for this is like, it gives you the perfect amount of color. Like how sometimes you put on lipstick, like exactly like I described it, like you put on lipstick and you take the tissue paper and you blot it in between your lips because it puts on too much, but if you take off some, it's just this is what Powder Kiss reminds me of. Maybe that was their intention, but, and if it was, it's perfect. But I like this color too. And these colors give me fall vibes, and we're in fall, so works out pretty good. But let's take this off. Now this is Fall in Love. Okay, let's try, oh, duh. Let's try this. Duh. If you guys are familiar with MAC lipsticks, no, this is turned up too much. I don't wanna, oh gosh, yes. This is reminding me of, I don't wanna say Relentlessly Red, but it's giving me that vibe. I really do like it. Now this is not a bad thing, but I don't know if you guys have ever drank like Kool-Aid and like it kind of stained your lip, but it was like that shade of red. That's the color that I'm getting from this, but I love it. I absolutely love it. This is like perfect for fall. But let's move on. So now we're work. That is very pretty. Now I wonder if it's in homage? I think that's the right word. Don't quote me though. To Rihanna. I know they did a collection with MAC way back when, and she had a color. Oh, this is okay. This is really pretty. This is like, I don't know how to describe it, like crimson, like a nice holiday red. This is a nice holiday red. Christmas time's right around the corner. This is the color lipstick I'm gonna wear for Christmas. I love it. I just love it. Now I don't want to say save the best for last, but that other color, I'm really anxious to see how it turns out, because it looks like it would be like a nice kind of like chocolatey nude. I don't know who came up with the Powder Kiss concept, but I'll say it again. Good job. Good job. And last but certainly not least, Devoted to Chili. Very, very nice. Very nice. Very pretty. Very, very, very pretty. I love it. Totally worth the $69. It's going to sit on my vanity because this little thing that they have the lipstick in is really, really cute. So why not? I'll probably just put the top in another drawer, but I would say definitely worth the $69. I'm going to leave a link for this down below. The other reason that I jumped on it is because if you guys haven't heard me when I do my makeup, I love a limited edition. And I feel like this is going to be limited edition. I mean, it's only exclusive to Nordstrom, so clearly once they sell out, they probably sell out. But I love it. I would recommend it. But that wraps up this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.